Hello, I'm going to show you how to create new contract templates. So basically what you want to do right here is click on contracts, click on create a new contract button, and then right here is where you name the contract just by clicking on it. So basically you can name it whatever you want, but I'm going to put photo booth contract just for this example right here. And then right here is where you can actually, add in the details for the contract. But real quickly, I'm going to show you how the smart text works, which I believe is probably like the most important feature for this part right here. So basically what you want to do is click right here, and then you can select any one of these right here. Event name, first client, first name, last name, email, location, event date. And then what's cool about, I'll show you here in a second, but what's cool about it is that it basically updates based on the event information. So I'll add this one right here, this one. You know what? For demonstration purposes, what I'm gonna paste it in, because you can also do that as well. Just so I can make it real quick. 1 second. Okay, I'm back. So I'm basically gonna copy this right here, and then I'm just gonna paste it in, like right here. And then, by the way, before I forget, you can also add multiple pages by clicking on this right here. In fact, I'll make it 2 pages for the fun of it. So make it 2 pages. And of course, if you want to delete, just hover over it and you can select the delete button right here. But for right now, let's go ahead and make it just like this. I mean, normally what you'll do, you have this spread out amongst the contract, but I'm gonna leave it all together just so you can see how it works. So I'm going to save it right here. And of course, if you want to edit, you can just hover over it and click on it, or you could click on edit button right here. Or if you want to delete, go right here and select delete right here. So now remember, we had the logos right here. So I'm going to close this out right here and select right here. I'm going to select contract. Okay, you see this right here? Notice how this information updated right here. In fact, let me show you real quick so you can compare. So this is the original right here, and then it updated right here. And so basically the way it works is that it gets the information from the event overview page. So for example, first name, customer first name, last name, Thompson, event location right here, event address. So this right here will save you a ton of time. So basically what I recommend is that you use smart text for, well, what I recommend is you create like, your 1 or 2 of your main contracts, and then you use smart text. That way you can use the same contract template for every event. That way you have to recreate it from scratch every single time, or have to update it every single time. So the cool thing about it, all you have to do is just basically create the contract once, use a smart text, and then you can use it over and over and over again with any one of your events right here. So just this alone will save you a ton of time.